From trash to treasure, the magic of recycled plastic beads. It's a journey that begins in the most unexpected places. Imagine vibrant, colorful beads strung together to create beautiful jewelry. These beads are not just ordinary beads, they carry a story of transformation and renewal. Now picture those beads originating from a less glamorous source, discarded plastic bottles and containers. These everyday items, often seen as waste, are given a second chance. It might seem like magic, but it's a testament to human ingenuity in tackling the plastic pollution crisis. The process involves meticulous sorting, cleaning, and transforming plastic waste into something new and valuable. This is the story of how we can transform our plastic waste into something beautiful and valuable. It's a journey of creativity and sustainability, showing that waste can indeed become a resource. In this essay, we will journey through the fascinating process of turning discarded plastic into recycled plastic beads. From the initial collection to the final product, each step is crucial in this transformative process. Plastic pollution is a pressing global issue. It affects our oceans, our wildlife, and ultimately, our own health and well-being. Every year, tons of plastic waste end up in landfills and oceans, harming wildlife and ecosystems. But there is hope. Through innovative recycling methods, we can reduce this impact significantly. Recycling plastic into beads offers a sustainable solution, giving new life to discarded materials. These beads are not only beautiful, but also symbolize a commitment to environmental stewardship. Join me as we delve into this transformative journey. Together, we will explore how creativity and innovation can turn waste into wonder, and how each of us can contribute to a more sustainable future. Gathering the goods. Collecting and sorting plastic waste is a crucial first step in the recycling process. Our journey begins with collecting plastic waste from various locations. This waste is gathered from various sources, from household recycling bins to dedicated collection centers, ensuring no plastic is left behind. Imagine mountains of plastic bottles, containers, and packaging, all waiting for a new purpose. These items, once discarded, now have the potential to be transformed. The collected plastic waste is then meticulously sorted based on its type, a critical step in the recycling chain. Different types of plastic have different properties, so it's crucial to separate them for effective recycling. This ensures that each type can be processed correctly. This sorting process ensures that each type of plastic most efficient and environmentally friendly way, paving the path for a sustainable future. Squeaky clean and ready to transform, cleaning and shredding. Once sorted, the plastic waste undergoes a thorough cleaning process. Just like washing dishes after a meal, this step removes any dirt, debris, or contaminants that could interfere with the recycling process. After cleaning, the plastic is ready for its transformation. Large pieces of plastic are shredded into smaller, more manageable pieces called flakes. Imagine a giant shredder turning plastic bottles into a sea of plastic confetti. These flakes are the building blocks for our recycled plastic beads. Section 4. A bubble bath for plastic washing and drying. This is a crucial step in the recycling process. Cleanliness is key in plastic recycling. Without proper cleaning, the recycled plastic may contain contaminants that can affect its quality and usability. The plastic flakes go through another round of washing, this time with specialized detergents. These detergents are designed to break down and remove any stubborn residues. This step ensures that any remaining impurities are removed, leaving the plastic sparkling clean. Inspectors check the flakes to ensure they meet the required standards. After their bubble bath, the plastic flakes need to be thoroughly dried. This is done using industrial dryers that can handle large quantities of plastic. Excess moisture can affect the quality of the final product, so this step is crucial. Proper drying ensures that the plastic is free from any moisture that could cause issues later. The flakes are spread out or tumbled in large dryers, ensuring they're bone dry and ready for the next stage. This preparation is essential for the subsequent recycling processes. Section 5. From flakes to filaments, melting and extrusion. Now the real magic begins. The clean, dry plastic flakes are heated until they melt into a molten liquid. Imagine a giant pot of colorful plastic soup, ready to be molded into something new. This molten plastic is then pushed through a device called an extruder. Think of it as a giant pasta maker, shaping the molten plastic into long, thin strands. These strands are the precursors to our beads, ready to be cut and shaped. Section 6. Snip, snip, beads, cutting the strands. The long strands of plastic are then fed into a cutting machine. This machine acts like a pair of scissors, snipping the strands into small uniform pieces, our recycled plastic beads. The size and shape of the beads can be adjusted depending on their intended use. From tiny seed beads for intricate jewelry to chunky beads for bold statement pieces, the possibilities are endless. Please subscribe, like, share with families and friends, and leave a comment for more exciting videos.